Hey, what's up guys? This is Frank, your film dealer, and welcome to the very first video of this channel. Alright guys, now first things first, let's talk very briefly about the Bessa R2 alongside the main review, which will be the GLOW 400 speed film. Alright guys, so the Bessa R2 was introduced in 2002 and it came with a Leica M mount. So that means that you're able to use Leica M mount lenses with it. It came with frame lines for 35mm, 50, 75, and 90 millimeters. Now the best part of the camera is that it goes up to 2,000ths of a shutter speed, which is one of the main reasons why I prefer the Bessa over the Leica M6. And let's not forget that you can find an R2 for half the price of an M6 or even lower. Over the years I've shot a few rangefinder cameras, beginning with the Canon QL3 I believe. It has a really long name, I'm not sure why. The Leica M2, M5, M6, which I still own, and I'll probably end up sending sometime summertime, just because I have both of these cameras and they pretty much do the same thing. Also the G1, G2, which technically are not rangefinders, or at least a lot of people don't consider them rangefinders, but we'll leave that for another video. All right, so now let's talk about the GLOW 400 speed film. Now it is more on the warmer side, a bit more warmer than the Kodak Gold, but somehow it works perfectly fine. You know, the images come out really nice. It gives you like a dated vintagey look on them, which is not bad at all. It does struggle a bit in the shadows, but it just gives it character, you know. It's one of those rolls that you're not gonna shoot every day. All right guys, so that's enough talking about cameras. Let's get out of here. First, let's load the camera, and then let's make our way out to Chinatown, get some good shots, get some fresh air, and get our steps in. Alright, so what I'll be doing for this video is I'll be mounting it. It's a GoPro. I'll be mounting it on top of the camera, so you'll get like a first person type of view of me just walking around doing some street photography, or at least trying not to get in trouble, and then just showing you what I see before I actually take the shot.
Give me one.
Jimmy, what's your name?
Rich.
Rich, nice meeting you, Rich.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just cruising around, see what I see. See what I see.
If I gotta help you,
Yeah.
say so.
I'll let you know. Can I get a shot of you?
Huh?
Can I get a photo of you?
You want a photo of you? Take a picture of you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let me get one more. Close up. Let me get focus. 1, 2, 3. All right. Nice meeting you guys.
Come around.
Yeah, I'll stop by. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you all, and I hope to see you on the next video.